Hey, what's up guys, Junchin here, and here is the tutorial and also quick guide for Pandora Classic 1100QC. First of all, install two AAA battery, then you use the DC plug which is included inside the box. Right now you plug it in the DC port, and then there's a clock display over here. So when you press the mode button,
FM mode.
When you press fast forward, you press once, then it will change until the station you want, then you press pause. It will be saved inside the clock. You press the previous button until the channel you want, and you press pause. Then if you press second time for the M button, you will go to Bluetooth mode. When you go to a Bluetooth page, you will see SG Pandora 1100. You press it, adjust the volume from here. Right now I'm going to show how to adjust the clock and the date and month as well. There's a set button over here. Press and hold. Then you start sparkling. Then you adjust by using the play and pause button. So right now it's 11 o'clock. Then you press one more on the set button to go and adjust the minutes. Then you press one more time to adjust the year. The year is correct for me. If you are wrong, you can still change it from here. Then you press a set again to adjust the month. 15. I'm going to show you guys how to set up alarm. First of all, you will see AL1 and also AL2. You press the AL1 once. If you want to adjust, you hold it. Let's say I wake up at 9. Press one more to adjust the minute. Then the U is the volume of your alarm. Press the L1 again. So here's the Monday to Friday. I want to go until Sunday. Or you want Saturday and Sunday only. So you see a little bell here. If you press once on the alarm, it will turn off the ring bell, which is your alarm. So if you want to turn your alarm on, press again. So the AL2 all the same setup, which is your second alarm. Okay, so right now the alarm already turned on. So if you want to snooze it, you press the middle button. After 30 minutes, the snooze will turn on, so which means your alarm will ring again. You just press the M button to turn off the snooze, which is completely turn off your alarm. There's an aux mode, and you can't adjust the alarm. You can't adjust the clock. So you press the M power, the M button, you hold it.
Clock mode.
Then you will say it's a clock mode. Then you can start adjust your clock, your date, your time, your alarm. The clock is too bright in your room and you want to dim down. You press snooze and dimmer button. You press once, you go dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. So right now it's already turned off, basically the display of your clock. So you press again to turn on again. While you are playing music on Bluetooth, aux or FM mode, you can press the sleep button. So after 30 minutes, it will go to sleep and no more music for you. And 45 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes, or no sleep time at all. So if you have a back cover behind your phone, it still can be charged as well. If you want to change the clock to 12 hours or 24 hours, you just press the play and pause button. So we'll show you. Right now it's 24-hour display. Right now it's 12-hour display. Then after you set it to 24 hours, then it wouldn't have the AM and PM display over here. There's a USB port over here. You just plug it in your USB charger, and you can charge as well. So if you have any question, make sure to comment down below. It's Junchin here. Peace out.